Hey, welcome to Eden Valley Farm. My name is Adner Abreu, and I just want to show you what we're planting today. It's going to be broccoli. This variety is it's called Imperial, and it's just one of the best that we found that works basically throughout the year. This is our first rotation that we're planting. Now this machine right here seats 4 people in the back, and then basically these 2 wheels go poking the hole and as well dropping in water. And the people behind here, all they do is basically just put in the plants right in there, and it's just an amazing process. We can plant, let's say 7,000 plants of peppers or broccoli in about 3 hours. So very, very easy. We plant as well potatoes with this, and right here these beds are about 750 feet long. Today we're going to be planting broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, kohlrabi, and as well we'll be planting potatoes. Stay tuned and watch the process. Hey, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like this video, share it. And if you're looking to join as well, learn agriculture, join a community where we all garden, click the link below and get started today. See you in the next video.